Right, sir.
Let us going to the topic today is Bohr's atomic model. So Bohr's atomic model. Two types of it. So merits of this Bohr's atomic model. Merits. Number one, atoms having these three fundamental particles. Number one, electron, proton, neutrons. Second one is, for example, the structure of atom is the spherical shape, nucleus, free and n, proton, neutrons, electrons revolve around the nucleus. So second one is atom having these three fundamental particles, protons, neutrons located in nucleus. This particle is called nucleons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. So this is called atom models. Next one condition, the atom having number of orbits or shells. Each orbit or shell electrons energy is constant. So these stationary shells or stationary orbits is represented by K, L, M, N. Next 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards. This is the next point. Third point is, and in two shells in between, to calculating of this in a atom inside the atom, two shells in this in between the energy will be calculated. So lower shell electron goes to some amount of energy gaining goes to higher level. Higher level electron some amount of energy loses goes to lower level. So the total energy of this element is delta E is equal E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu. Is equal to H nu. So this is called H means here Planck constant is a 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 27 earth second and 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Okay, now again next last one is that is electrons and revolve around the nucleus, and this nucleus the outermost orbit distance is called radius. The radius represented by small r. The electrons revolve around the nucleus making angle. Now this angle is called angular momentum. So angular momentum mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So here m means mass of the atom, and v means velocity of the electrons, r means radius of the atom, n means here interior which shell that is a kr, lr, mr, n, h means here Planck constant values in x and joules, and 25 means 3.14. So this is the merits of this Bohr's atomic model in these 4 points. So next one, let us say defects of the Bohr's atomic model. First one defects is number one, hydrogen atomalies. It is the explanation of this only atomic number one, hydrogen only can explain. So the atomic number 2 or more cannot explain. So this is called first defect of this. So second defect, and it will be cannot explanation of this, cannot explain how to making chemical bond. For example, hydrogen plus hydrogen react to form H2. Hydrogen in between, how to making chemical bond cannot explanation. That all is. So next one cannot explain. So a planetary model. So planetary model, how to revolve around the nucleus, for example, in elliptical shape cannot explain. So the fourth defect is and is Stark and Zeeman effect. Stark means Stark effect and Zeeman cannot explain. So these are 4 only, that is Bohr's atomic model defects. So now examination orientation 10th class, and explain the Bohr's atomic model merits and demerits only asking. So these 4 are merits and demerits only. Okay.